So hi guys, this is Dr. Burns. I just wanted to show you the link that I sent for Flipgrid for Mr. Cummings. If you click on it, and make sure to log in with your Google account, your school account. So for me it would be mburns@irvingisd.net. The whole website right here is from Mr. Cummings, and it's his long distance library. As you can see, it's specifically for our class. There's Mr. Cummings' little logo. There are 4 topics on the right side. If you click on it, you can see who has put videos on each topic. For day 1, Twisted Journeys, we only have 1 video. For this, how to log in, we only have 3 videos, which thank you to Natalie. She's been posting on each video link and adding her video in there. Day 2, Sweep and Wimpy Kid. We have 15 videos, and I just finished adding mine, so you want to check that out. I need everybody adding to each different category your video, not just one. And also, I was watching some of the videos, and I noticed you're just telling me a book and the author, but you're not giving me a summary. Remember, you have to tell me what the book is about. You can also write a script about what the book is about, so that way you can read it from the script in case, you don't know what to talk about at that moment. You'll have a script prepared. All right, so you would just click on, let's say you wanted to see this one. Click on it, and you see only Faria has done a video on that one. For this one, day 2, if you go down, you can see that I just posted a video, and these are the people that have posted their videos. For the next one, on the topics, it's the most recent day 3 for the sports fans. Mr. Cummings has provided some sports links that if you click here, you'll be able to look at some of the books that he has noted here. And if you go way to the bottom, we already see that Natalie is on top of things, and she already posted her video. If I click on one of these videos, one of these links, you would log in with your Google account. Make sure it's your EBSCO account. If you don't log in with your EBSCO account, then you will not be able to log in. So it prompts you to go to your EBSCO account and make sure that you log in through there if it doesn't let you log in through your Google account. All right, what else? Let's see. So once you log into your EBSCO account, you'll be able, through the Irving ISD website, in the libraries area, you'll be able to go in and look at these books. So remember to log into EBSCO. Don't use Google Login. Do use your username, Irving ISD, and the password is LoneStar19. And yes, you have to include the exclamation point. So actually here he tells you exactly what to do, and there's no way to miss out on that. So make sure to say hello and post a hello to your classmates. All right, we need everybody's videos on there, or else I will be calling parents. Make sure you guys log in.